Mary told me you were looking for me. Why? Yes, I was. Mr. Kurt told me to make a list of all the participants of our talent show. As far as I know, you wanted to take part, didn't you? Yes, I did. Sign me in. Sometimes we need to report not only statements but also commands, orders, and questions. Let's have a look at the way of forming such sentences. To turn somebody's order into reported speech, we need to use the following construction. Ordered, told, plus somebody, plus to, not to, plus verb. For example, I told you to behave. He told me not to go there. To ask somebody a question in the reported speech, we need an introductory verb or phrase. Could you tell me? He asked. She wondered. We wanted to know. After the introductory if or whether, the question we want to ask is general. If or whether are followed by the direct word order. If the question we want to ask starts with the question word, we use the same question word, followed by a direct word order to form a question in the reported speech. Introductory phrase plus if or whether, question word, plus subject, plus verb. We omit the question mark after the question in the reported speech.